Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to track your Vinted order step by step. I'll be using the app here since tracking works best there. First, open the Vinted app on your phone. You'll see your home feed or profile once it loads. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This opens your profile menu. From here, tap on My Orders. You'll see a list of all your purchased items. Everything you've bought through Vinted shows up here. Now tap on the specific order you want to track. This opens up the order details page where you'll see your conversation thread with the seller. This is where all your messages with them are stored, and it's also where Vinted displays your tracking updates. On this conversation screen, look for the Track Package button. It might also say Track My Item depending on your version. Tap that button. You'll be taken to another page that shows all the tracking information for your package. Here you'll see where the parcel currently is, what stage of delivery it's at, and when it's expected to arrive. Both you and the seller can see this same tracking information from your conversation screens. If you want more detailed tracking, you can tap on the tracking link to go straight to the carrier's website. That'll be Every, Royal Mail, DHL, or whichever service the seller used. You can also copy the tracking number from here if you need to share it or check it elsewhere. Couple of quick things to note. Tracking information can take up to 48 hours to first show up in Vinted after the seller ships it, so don't worry if it's blank right after they mark it as shipped. Once the package actually arrives, the tracking usually updates automatically, but if it doesn't, you can go back to Track Package and select Mark as Received to close out the order. And if the tracking says delivered but you haven't actually received it, select I have an issue within 2 days so Vinted can help sort it out. And there we go, tracking your Vinted order done. Thanks for watching, see you next time.